To get started, launch the Telegram app on your phone. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send a voice message. Now press and hold the microphone icon to start recording your voice. Swipe up while holding to lock the recording mode. This way you can talk hands-free. You will then see a new pause button. When you're finished, simply tap it to stop recording. A waveform with 2 sliders will appear. These are your trim handles. You can play back the recording and use the left slider to trim the beginning and the right slider to adjust the end. Play it back to review how it sounds. Once you're satisfied with the trimmed recording, tap the send button to share it. The trimmed voice message will be sent to the chat and delivered just like a regular voice message. The recipient will hear only the portion you selected. Trimming lets you send only the most important part of your voice message, making communication clearer and more efficient. So that's how you can trim voice message before sending on Telegram Messenger.